flying in the air, my eyes starting to tear. In this old honky-tonk, can't hide from what I fear. Allergies hit me hard, like a freight train rolling in. Every time I walk through, it's the same old thing again. Roadhouse allergy, tearing up my nights. Can't enjoy the music under those neon lights. The bartender gives me a smile with a knowing glance my way. Pass me some tissues, it's the price I gotta pay. But I won't let it stop me from dancing to the tune. I'll brave the tears and sneezes under this barroom moon. Roadhouse allergies, tearing up my nights. Can't enjoy the music under those neon lights.
Over 50 million people in the U.S. suffer from allergies. Get relief today by calling 919-240-7556 or visit our website, asallc.net.